Verify your phone number on Discord in minutes. First, open the Discord app on your device. At the bottom right corner, tap on the profile icon, that's the U button. Next, tap the gear icon at the top right corner to open your user settings. Here, select Account. It's the second option in the list. Now you'll see your email and phone number section. Tap on Phone Number. If your number isn't added yet, go ahead and enter it manually, or use autofill if available. Before proceeding, make sure your country code is correct. Once confirmed, tap Next. Discord will now ask you to verify that you're human. After that, you'll receive a text message with a verification code. Enter the code in the given field and hit Verify. Finally, enter your Discord password to confirm. Once done, your phone number will be successfully verified. If you don't receive the text, make sure to check your spam or filtered messages. Sometimes the code ends up there. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.